papakisua na tai ki mau ao, I whakanukunuku hia, I whakanekeneke hia. I whiware retia e ho te oa hinirua ki te wai, ki tai wiwi, ki tai wawa, ki te whai au tau mārama ti he mauri ora. Ko ngai te rangi me Ngāti Ranginui o ku iwi, ko Ngāti he, ngai te ahi me ngā pōti ki o ku hapu. Ko mauaoro o ko pukairo o ku maunga, ko mā tātua te waka. Tauranga te moana, maunga tapu te marae no reira, tēnā koutou, kia ora no tātou katoa. Ko Rush Wepi hā tōku ingoa, he b-boy ahau, he MC ahau, ai, anō reira, tēnā rā tātou katoa. You are watching Matariki Te Arahau.
Relapse, I'm here for the brothers looking the max, live and relax, riding that roller coaster, life getting no closer, might lose your composure when I expose you to the handwriting on the wall like a poster, nightmare dying in the wall, getting closer, healthcare up to the core like the kosher, out here never sin, so it provoke you, stole my land, get your facts straight, should be credited the back pay,
Matariki to me means new beginnings. I think it's a step forward for our people to bring back a lot of our tikanga that was kind of pushed to the side, and it's a step forward, a step closer to us finding our true identity as Māori artists.
Only inherited the back pain, Pep the system and get it that way, obtain fat wage, in that case I'm on a rampage, mid-range, migraine, can't sit, membrane, I think I'm going insane, I might hijack a plane.
Well, what is a Māori artist? You know, is it someone who performs just in te reo Māori? Or is it someone who is Māori, who's an artist? And I think we still haven't really defined that yet. Things such as matariki and acknowledging those things will help for us to find that identity. I think we're in quite an early stage in Māori music, an exciting stage.
But you don't want to hear that. Now we got entire families homeless, living in cars, but you don't want to hear that. And all natives got a relative trapped behind bars, but you don't want to hear that.
I think we are kind of leading the way as an indigenous people from a colonized land who are keeping their culture, but at the same time just existing in this Pākehā world without forgetting who we are.
About time that we hear that. Indigenous, limitless, no accident, I'm a catalyst to bring balance back for the cause. Carry the torch in the land that was once inhabited by warriors, activists, getting the social report. Meridian flow, the social media tapping your phone, IG hacking your dome, attacking the clones, and what do you know? Controlled by how many shares and likes, and now you're revolutionary just for wearing nice.
My culture helped shape me as a man. My culture gave me a set of principles to live by. I was raised by my nan and my koro, and they were very old school, and they kind of left us to our own to kind of figure things out. It equipped us with that, with this energy that, you know, in our culture we call it hautatu. The Pākehā defined that as mischief, but the word hautatu has a lot more meaning than mischief. The word hautatu basically means inquisitive. So I always use the example of Maui. If Maui wasn't a hautatu and you didn't think, oh, what's over there? What's behind there? What's under there? He wouldn't have done all the amazing things that he did. One of the biggest accomplishments in my life was understanding that energy within myself and not letting the powers that be in the system suppress that. Hopefully Matariki will symbolise a new beginning in our music industry as well, because I believe it's our time as Indigenous artists. I mean, I've done a lot of mahi in Australia, and I've done stuff with Aboriginal artists, and they're killing it. They're not asking permission, they're just creating their own lane. I would like to say we're at a point where Māori culture isn't just our culture, you know? It's the culture of this land, it's the culture of this country. Can you say less emphasis on multiculturalism, more emphasis on interculturalism is how I would like to see Aotearoa. I like to teach our kids that there's nothing wrong in being who you are. It's just directing that hautatu into other areas, and that's what I used. I used that hautatu to do everything I do. I mean, I'm not just a rapper, I'm also a b-boy, entrepreneur. I have my own business in Australia where I travel around to Aboriginal communities teaching hip-hop. Currently did a workshop up here with the Kindness Institute, Atawhai, teaching mindfulness, yoga and meditation to our rangatahi. I used to work with Red Bull. I've done all types of things, bro, and I'm just a young Māori who left school with 2 Ds and an E.
Feels like in the blink of an eye we forgot who we are, but you don't want to hear that. I'm interested in building a resourceful repertoire, but you don't want to hear that. More interested in building your online avatar, but you don't want to hear that.
And I remember when I was young, we had a saying, "Jack of all trades, master of none." But I always say, "Jack of all trades, master of one, self." So I did a lot of things to master who I was. And I use all those skills to try and be successful in whatever it is I want to do. I never let anything stop me. If I want to do something, I do it. And if someone says, "Oh, you can't do that," I'm like, "All right, sweet, get out of the way so I can do it." Yeah, I think being Māori taught me that. And I think that's who we are as Māori people.
You don't want to hear that. About time that we hear that. Yeah. Reality rhyme, strategy minds for tragedy time. About time that we hear that. Stay ready so you don't have to get ready. About time that we hear that.
You know, people all around the world are looking at us and going, "Man, you guys are cool." You know? But I think at the moment, all they know about us is kapahaka. These are parts of our culture that we all love, but it's not the only thing that we are. So I think we need to tell the world that, you know, things here aren't all fine and dandy. We do have issues being a indigenous people in a colonized landscape. I think we have a lot of important things to add to that conversation that other MCs around the world have added to. In terms of conscious hip hop, we have a lot to talk about. We have a lot to add. We have a lot of knowledge. And we can really help people. We can really help other indigenous people around the world. We kind of have a responsibility to tell our story. It's an opportunity for us to tell the world about who we are.
About time that we hear that. About time that we hear that. You don't want to hear that. You don't want to hear that. About time that we hear that.